Copacabana Beach is a famous beach located in the southern zone of the city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It stretches for 4 kilometers along the Atlantic coast and is known for its golden sand, crystal clear water, and vibrant atmosphere. Copacabana Beach is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Brazil and attracts visitors from all over the world. It has become an icon of Brazilian beach culture and is often featured in movies, music videos, and other forms of popular culture. The beach offers a wide range of activities, including sunbathing, swimming, beach soccer, and beach volleyball. There are also numerous restaurants, bars, and nightclubs along the beach, making it a popular destination for nightlife. Copacabana Beach is also known for its annual New Year's Eve celebrations, which attract millions of people to the beach for fireworks, live music, and other festivities. The beach has also hosted numerous international events, including concerts, beach volleyball tournaments, and the FIFA Beach Soccer World Cup. Despite its popularity, Copacabana Beach is also known for its problems with crime and poverty, especially in the surrounding neighborhoods. Visitors are advised to exercise caution and be aware of their surroundings while on the beach and in the surrounding areas. There are many things to do in Copacabana Beach. Here are some suggestions. Relax on the beach. Copacabana Beach offers a beautiful setting to simply relax and soak up the sun. You can rent a beach chair or umbrella and spend the day reading, people watching, and enjoying the views. Go for a swim. The water at Copacabana Beach is generally safe for swimming, and there are lifeguards on duty to ensure your safety. Take a dip in the refreshing water to cool off from the heat. Play beach sports. Copacabana Beach is a great place to play beach soccer, beach volleyball, and other beach sports. You can join in a pickup game with locals or rent equipment from vendors on the beach. Enjoy the nightlife. Copacabana Beach is home to many bars, restaurants, and nightclubs, making it a popular destination for nightlife. Enjoy a caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail, while watching live music or dancing the night away. Visit Fort Copacabana. This historic fort is located at the southern end of Copacabana Beach and offers great views of the surrounding area. You can take a guided tour of the fort to learn about its history and see the military exhibits. Walk the promenade. The promenade along Copacabana Beach is a great place for a leisurely stroll or jog. Enjoy the ocean views and take in the lively atmosphere of the beach. Watch the sunset. Copacabana Beach offers stunning sunset views over the water. Grab a drink at one of the beachside bars and watch the sun go down in a beautiful display of colors. The best time to visit Copacabana Beach depends on what you're looking for. Here are some things to consider. Weather. Rio de Janeiro has a tropical climate with temperatures ranging from 20-30 C, 68-86 F, year-round. The warmest months are December to March, while the coolest are June to August. If you prefer cooler temperatures, it's best to visit between June and August, but if you want hot and sunny weather, visit between December and March. Crowds. Copacabana Beach can get very crowded during peak tourist season, which is between December and February. If you want to avoid the crowds, it's best to visit during the shoulder season, which is from March to May or from September to November. Events. Copacabana Beach hosts many events throughout the year, including Carnival in February, New Year's Eve celebrations, and the FIFA Beach Soccer World Cup. If you want to attend one of these events, plan your visit accordingly. Price. Hotel rates and airfare can be more expensive during peak tourist season, so if you're looking to save money, it's best to visit during the shoulder season or low season, which is from June to August. In